M-I-L-K, M-I-L-K, M-I.
Who been lying king to you? Pocket watch it like kangaroos. Tell these clowns we ain't amused.
Okay guys, so I just had to start over my makeup look completely. So being that I had to do that, it actually taught me something really quick, and I wanted that I learned something. So or I don't want to say I learned something, but I remembered something. Guys, it's very important that if you want your makeup look to come out as best as it can, at its best, and look its best, you need to make sure that you're doing all the appropriate steps to get the best look that you can possibly get. And I know that you're gonna learn as time goes by, and then eventually, for beginners, your makeup is going to continue to get better. Even for pros, you can never be too perfect to do something different and have your look come out a different way or at its best at that moment. So really quick on what happened, I actually was doing this makeup look, which is what I'm going to do with you guys right now, and I'm letting my face dry. I was doing the makeup look, and usually I always drag the concealer down, and I put the concealer like completely over my eyelids, right, to act as a primer for the eyeshadow to lay on top of, so that way the pigments will pick up more, and then it would stay put on your eyes. It wouldn't just roll off like dust. And for some reason, I didn't do that. So basically, it was like coming off like as I was blending. It was the weirdest thing. It was so weird and it was so annoying. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys what's either a primer, even primer on top of concealer on top of primer. Even that would be beneficial than just not having nothing on your eyelids. I don't know what I was thinking, but I figured this would be a perfect time to come on here and let you guys know that this is perfect for beginners, because sometimes, me as a beginner, I was not thinking about no damn primer, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and run through that real quick. So I took off the eyeshadow that I had on because it was just a whole mess, to show you guys the proper way to do it, and try your best not to forget any steps, because then you might have to take it off like how I did, or your look might not be the best for the day. All right, I was doing a little bit too much talking there. So I just came on to say that right here what I'm doing is I'm just putting on that primer from Too Faced, and then I'm gonna go straight in with the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned for more, or stay tuned to the end of the video, I should say. Love you all. And if you like this makeup tutorial that I did today, please like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know which part of this video that you liked. I did have someone ask me about eyebrows, to do a detailed version, to do a detailed video on eyebrows. So that will be coming up pretty soon, because I was thinking to do that as my next video. So comment down below and let me know if you want to see that. Besides that, that's it. You know, that's it. So if you really like this look, please go ahead and try it out. You know, if you have the same eyeshadow palettes that I have, please go ahead and test them out. It's worth it. Definitely test out every single eyeshadow. You know, some might not be your forte and some might be your forte. My camera did cut off coming down to the ending, so I did not show you guys basically me putting on the eyeshadow to the bottom and lining it and everything. But pretty much all I used was my NYX white eyeliner to the waterline, and then I went back in with the same two eyeshadows that I used for my makeup look, or not two eyeshadows because I actually used more than two. The green as well as the blue, the aqua blue is what I'm gonna call it. I went back in with those two after or under the waterline. The green is to the corners, and then the blue is in the middle and in the very corner going up to the tear ducts. So that's pretty much it. Mascara, all of that, did the whole shit. That is the end of the makeup look. Stay blessed, and remember, you may be broke, but you are beautiful.